Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, friends, today we are going to start our new unit, that is unit number 6. The name of a unit is Manora by Boat. So, today we will read the vocabulary. Okay, all of you ready? And please repeat with me. Waves, waves, tide, tide, splashed, splashed, amazing, amazing, queue, queue, spray, spray, survive, survive, shrieking, shrieking, disappeared, disappeared, shoal, shoal, flying, flying, dived, dived, rocked, rocked, younger, younger. Okay, friends, after reading, what's your task? To read unit number 6. And you have to read all the words again and again. Okay, students? Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz, take care.